Are you running out of ideas on how to design your social media posts? Well, this website called Canva is perfect for you since it has a lot of templates that you can use for your posts. Let's get started. To start designing your new post, just go to Google and type canva.com, sign up, and once you've signed up, you will end up here. And by the way, this is a free tool that you can use. Now, they have lots of templates or lots of designs that you can use for your business or your Facebook page. Let's say you want to make a post for your Instagram account. So just go to templates and select this Instagram post. Once you're done with that, you will end up here and Canva will suggest templates that you can use for your posts. Let's say you'd like to have a birthday greeting. Looks good. So we're gonna use this template. Now this one is a moving one. It's a moving effect. You can just use your photo by uploading here, upload. And once uploaded, just drag and drop the uploaded photo in here, like this one. Yep, that's me. And just like that, you've done a Instagram post. Let's try another design. Let's say you're promoting a business about fitness. Let's try this one. So just go to the templates and search for a fitness template. This one looks good. This one. If you want to change this, just hit delete and start looking for other stock photos or upload them yourselves. Let's try weightlifting. Something like this. And just rename the text. Become stronger. Become a beast. Something like that. And there you go. As you can see, you'll never run out of ideas using Canva, since it has a lot of templates and has a lot of great stock photos that you can use. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy and start using Canva.